Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, as you can see, I'm out on a kayak today. Decided to go rent one this morning and come back out here to Lake Sakakawea and actually do a little bit more exploring and be able to get down these shorelines a little bit farther. So went ahead and rented this thing, brought the cameras along, and see what we can go find. Came around the bend here, end up on the shore. Somebody has built a shelter, so I'm going to go ahead and beach the kayak and head up there and check that thing out. Oh, coming up on this little A-frame lean-to, not too bad. There's plenty of wood left laying around to finish this thing off, but I'm on a mission with the kayak today. Get down the shoreline and keep exploring. Guess maybe I should go get myself a fishing pole. Apparently so easy around here, the seagulls catch fish. Oh man, it's beautiful today. Nice sunny day, nice and calm out on the lake. Get to see some new areas that I've never seen before. Couldn't ask for a better day. But you know, just going up the lake here a little bit, checking out some of these bays and inlets, see what we can find, and like I said, just enjoying the day. Pulled up onto this little shore here. Just saw it look pretty interesting. Just thought I'd come up and do a little exploring, see what's up here. Definitely plenty of driftwood up here if you had to make a shelter or you just wanted to make a quick lean-to. Well, now that I've cooled off, I'm going to go ahead and get myself some lunch. But I wanted to show you guys, again, I brought out the Walmart Wonder budget backpack. Like I said in the last video, I'm going to keep bringing it out with me and see how well it holds up. Again, I've got some cheapy water bottles, the good old trusty PB&Js again. The one thing I did add, since I was out on the kayak today, is this Outdoor Products dry bag that I picked up at Walmart for $6. And the backpacks aren't waterproof. I can feel that this is a little bit wet, so let's go ahead and open it up, see if it kept the contents dry. Got pretty much the exact same stuff that I had last time. Here's that nylon cord, and it feels dry to me. And let's see, we got Bear Grylls knife. The sheath and everything feels dry, so for $6, kept everything dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and have some lunch, drink some water, keep going exploring. Well, we're done with lunch, so let's get going. Let's go explore some more. Every once in a while you can see a bass jump up and try to get one. There was one right next to me. Well, you guys, it's been a great day, but as you can probably hear, the wind is starting to pick up, and I'm actually going into the wind, so it's making it a little bit harder to get back. So my goal is just to get back. I mean, I'm kind of just head down, just going for it. But I really appreciate you guys coming along today. You know, if you're on a budget, you want to try kayaking, you know, do like I did, find a place that rents them out and rent it out for the day. I think I paid $45 to come out here all day until 8 p.m. It's about 5:30 right now, but I'm getting tired, and I still probably got about another 1.5 miles to go into the wind, so it may be 8 o'clock before I get there. But hey guys, again, thanks for joining me. Go out there, do some exploring. If you're on a budget, don't worry about it. Buy what you can afford and just get out there and enjoy it. So my friends, stay safe, go out and live. I'll see you next time.